Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by preparing the essentials and signing in. Open Kaggle and choose Google or GitHub single sign-on to save time. Once signed in, set a clear username and upload a professional 400 x 400 profile photo so people recognize you. Next, write a concise bio that highlights your main skills and interests. Include a link to your portfolio or GitHub. Make sure to verify your email and enable two-factor authentication, if available, to secure the account before moving on. Now you'll build credibility by publishing tangible work. Create and publish your first notebook showing a clear workflow, data load, cleaning, modeling, and conclusions, so viewers see your process. Once done, contribute a dataset or join a beginner competition to apply skills in a real task and get leaderboard experience. Make sure to engage, follow relevant creators, upvote insightful notebooks, and leave constructive comments. Consistent interaction and useful content are the fastest ways to grow reputation and attract collaborators. Finish by polishing your profile and organizing content. Add location, education, skill tags, and contact links so others can find and trust you. Pin one or two standout notebooks to the top of your profile, give notebooks readable titles and tags, and maintain consistent formatting so readers can follow quickly. If something goes wrong, such as login issues or missing verification, clear browser cache, confirm your email and single sign-on provider settings, and reach out to Kaggle support with a concise problem description and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.